Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Dan Rock. Welcome back to another video. Some of you have requested to show you my underglow lights that I have installed on my bike about over a year ago, and I never actually did the video to show you what it looks like on my bike. So today is the day. Don't forget to like, comment below this video and subscribe. This helps me a lot. This helps my channel and motivates me a lot to create more videos for you guys and girls. All right, let's get to it. So you are looking at 2023 Honda Rebel. These are lights made by Ditrio. I bought them for my own money. This is not a promotion or anything like that. I was not sponsored by this company. I'm just gonna give you an honest review of what I think about these lights. So I've had them for over a year now. This is what you get inside the box. So there's a larger control. There's a key fob, manual right here. I bought them off Amazon. It was like $50. I can give you a link in the description below this video. You can go and check them out. Let me show you what they look like on my bike. Before you do installation of these lights, make sure you use a rub and alcohol, so you just clean the surface really good. I kind of planned where I'm gonna place them before I actually attach it to my bike. I've heard some people, after they use the rub and alcohol, they also use a heating gun and it attaches better. I didn't use that, but it's up to you. So one of the strips, I placed it right here under the gas tank. The other one is right under my seat right here on the side, and also the other one is right above the rear wheel. I did exactly the same on the other side of the bike. Let me show you. Walk around. So here you go. I got a strip right here, and I got one under the seat and one under the fender. For the kill switch, so it doesn't drain your battery, I put that kill switch right here. This was a perfect spot right here on the left side of the bike, and it's hidden here so nobody can see it. Control box for the lights and all the wiring is under the seat. So you just connect the red wire to the positive terminal on the battery and the black wire to the negative terminal on the battery. And there is also a blue wire which you connect to your brakes. I didn't do that. So what it does, when you brake, all the lights on your bike turn red at the same time during the brake. It's been in the rain and it still holds up really good. I have no problem with that. Let me show you the control right here. So on the control, you've got the on and off switch right here to make lights brighter or dimmer. You get a selection of all the solid lights that you can see here, all the spectrum. There is white right here. There is a option for flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. The installation, guys, is really easy. I did it myself, like I said, in 3 hours. Just takes a little bit of work. Like I said, pre-planning, taking the seat off, and just kind of organizing all the wires under the seats. They give you zip ties. All right, it's time to turn the lights on and show you what it looks like. All right, let's start the bike. Grab my remote control right here. All right, let's turn them on. All right. This is red, and we're just gonna press all the colors that under the red one. And then let's go to the solid green and all the colors under the green. And these are just solid colors, okay? And then we've got the purple, or the blue, and then the white one. All right, let's go back to this color. Let's walk around really quick. Looks nice, and the brightness is all the way up. Okay, let's do a green one, and then you hit flash and it flashes. If you want to change the color, just pick another color and hit flash. I don't really use this option. Let's try strobe. All right, that's strobe. And then fade. color kind of fades and then comes back on. I really like the smooth. It goes through all the colors of the spectrum here, and it just very smoothly changes from one color to the next. Kind of like a Christmas tree, huh? Let's go to this side right here. Yeah, man, I really like this blue one. That's my favorite. Tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite color? Let me know what you think about these lights by Ditrio. They're good quality lights. I really appreciate everybody watching this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.